Hi there, it's Mr. Smith. Welcome to Contemporary Mathematics. And yes, it's the spring of 2024. I can't believe it. You might wonder, what is contemporary mathematics? Well, we study things like probability and statistics, financial math, logic. So these are all very practical things, and I hope that you'll find them interesting and worth your time. I know that I enjoy teaching the course. So we need to talk about a few things. The first thing I want to do is encourage you to get off to a great start. Sometimes students come back from spring break, not spring break, how about the winter holiday? They had a great Christmas and New Year's and all that good stuff, and now it can be a challenge to get back into school mode. So don't be that person, don't procrastinate. Make it your goal to get off to a great start. Make it a goal to do well on the first test. If you can get an A or B on that first test, it's a really great way to get started, as opposed to students who bomb the first test and feel like they're playing catch up the rest of the semester. So don't be that guy. So what have I done to help you get off to a good start? Well, first of all, when you go into eCampus, you're going to see an introduction. Also, you should have received it in your email. And in the introduction, I tell you everything you need to know about getting started in the course. So make sure you read the introduction carefully. Make sure you watch the different videos that I've posted. There's a syllabus video in which I go over the syllabus. Make sure you know what's in the syllabus. Make sure you understand what's expected. There's an eCampus video. If you're not real comfortable with eCampus, it just kind of goes through all the different places where you can click on buttons and see what's in there. I encourage you to watch the video and maybe explore a little bit in eCampus just to get used to that platform. And then finally, there's a video on how to use MyLab Math, which is where you're going to be doing your assignments. So I believe that those three things will make it very easy for you to get off to a good start. And the only other thing I would say is, if there's anything I missed, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. I do want to mention one more thing. We've had issues with communicating with students in recent semesters. We don't have the right phone numbers. We try to reach students at their email and we don't hear anything back. So I just want to encourage you, it's school policy. Make sure you're using your school email. It starts with an E and then it's 7 digits at student.dcccd.edu. So make sure not only that you're using that for all your communications with with instructors at the school, but also make sure you're monitoring your email. So for me, my email goes directly to my phone. So if you send an email, I see it right away. Now that doesn't mean I can respond to it right away, but all my emails are right there at my fingertips, basically. So that's pretty much all I have to say. Again, I want to welcome you to the semester. I do want to ask those of you that are in the co-requisite course, that's the DMAT 0317, to stick around for another minute, but otherwise that's all I have. All right, so for DMAT 0317, those of you that are in that course are taking what we call a co-requisite course. It's 2 courses in one. Now in the face-to-face version, it works a little bit differently. There's really not a whole lot of differences in the online version. So for you guys, what you're going to see is you have more assignments. You're going to see these DMAT, I think it's 0317 sections that you're going to have to do. And so those are the ones that are part of that course. And in fact, your grade will be based on all your homework average. That's what's going to give you your grade in that course. But anyway, you'll find out more as you go through all the information that I provided in eCampus. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I really hope you have a great semester. Thanks a lot.